Hello, I'm Jane from Razzle Dazzle Pots, which is in Mapley in Nottingham, and I'm going to do a really quick video on how to use some of the tools in the studio to make your life a lot easier. We're going to use special carbon paper so that we can transfer a picture onto a piece of pottery so your life will be easy. So when you come to the studio, you need to ask for some special carbon paper. We've got plenty around. We can also print pictures off for you that you may find, but you can be organised and print them off ahead of time if you wish. The carbon paper, we will explain it to you when you come in, but there's only one way around it will go, and you always need to test it just to make sure that you've got it around the right way and it makes a little grey mark. Put your carbon paper on top of your piece of pottery, put your picture on top of that, get it lined up where you want it to be, and then just draw over your picture. And you can use all the detail on your picture, or you can choose not to, because remember, you are painting and some of the bits might be a little bit tricky to then paint in. So I'm just going to quickly do this butterfly, so that you can then see what it will look like. So here we go. So now we have a butterfly drawn onto the piece of pottery that you can then paint over.